Welcome to our channel. Apple TV Plus content can be enjoyed on various devices including Hisense Smart TVs through Chromecast. Here's a simple method to set up and activate the service. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast device is connected to your Hisense Smart TV and both are on the same Wi-Fi network. Power on both devices. Step 2. On your smartphone or tablet, download the Apple TV app from the App Store if you're using iOS or from the Google Play Store for Android. Step 3. Open the Apple TV app and sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple TV Plus subscription, you can subscribe within the app. Step 4. Browse the Apple TV Plus content library and select the show or movie you want to watch on your Hisense TV. Step 5. Look for the cast icon in the top corner of the app while playing content. The icon resembles a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves. Step 6. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device from the list of available devices. Your TV should display a connection message. Step 7. The content will start streaming on your Hisense Smart TV through Chromecast. You can control playback using your mobile device. Step 8. For better integration, check if your Hisense Smart TV has the Apple TV app available in its built-in App Store. If so, download it directly to your TV, sign in with your Apple ID, and enjoy Apple TV Plus without needing Chromecast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.